Hi guys, Tom Baxter here at BAXTER PT. We're with Jesse Minty at the Healthy Tea up here on Quarry Rock today. We've just literally hiked up here 25 minutes, get those legs on a burn, and then straight into a bit of rock flow yoga. And then we're also gonna do a little bit of a workout up here for you guys. Let's get at it. Doesn't always have to be flat to work out.
That's good.
Awesome. So literally just want to show you how simple it is to get in a workout, and there's no excuses. You can do it anywhere. Don't worry about the surface being flat or who's looking. Ultimately you have one body, and we want to make it an amazing time to live in that body. And you can use any piece of equipment, even when the flies are flying around you. Just out in the wilderness is some of the best workouts I've ever had. I think the endorphin release is almost doubled, just because you're living in and breathing in nature. So that was a simple 4-minute kind of yoga flow, a little bit of my tweak on it, so a little bit of mobility, some core strength, and chucking in some push-ups, because if you got to get a good chest, you got to do your push-ups, guys. Thanks for joining us. If you want to like, subscribe, comment, we love to have you, so thanks again.